All right, we are here today with our friend Chris Gallagher. He's a good friend of ours. We used to play in a band together, so this is really, really fun. He said we should go out kayaking. He has done some great kayaking tours. He used to find humongous iguanas down some rivers, and in this river in Anasco, he says there are lots of snakes, and I've already seen some ducks coming down here. It's just a beautiful, quiet, very sunny day. Chris is smart to be slathering up, so we're gonna wear some broad-billed hats and go out on the water, so we'll be fine and have a nice day. So thanks, Chris. You want to say anything about this
It's going to be great.
Oh yeah, another thing is he is from England, so he's got a great accent.
Yay!
Thanks, Chris.
Thank you, Cassie.
The first mission, rescue the hat.
Yeah. There we go.
Big iguanas.
Yeah. This is what people want to see. Wildlife. It's wonderful.
Look at this. There's a fish. And then where's the turtle? Oh, there's a turtle eating the fish. Look at that. Look at that.
Eat it.
Eventually that'll all get on the boat.
Yep.
We'll be dragging it upstream.
Get a little. So what kind of bridge is that, Chris?
That looks like an old railway bridge.
Oh.
It looks like an old railway bridge. I'm sure it was for the sugar. The sugar barn.
That's pretty neat. I've never seen that out here. Water hyacinths and water lettuces.
There's something swimming up there again. There's something right up there. I wonder what it is.
Well, let's just go slowly so we see.
It's on the surface again.
Whoa, what did they jump in? beach area on the other side from where we were before, which is around that corner. I love this expanse, how you can see the peninsula right above in the background. It's such a long, long sandy beach down here. No one's out here. Kayaking on. Alright, we got some asopao de mariscos and asopao de pollo. We're here in Pal 22. Buen provecho!
Buen provecho! Looks fantastic.
The Balneario Tres Hermanos in Anasco. So we just had our fun kayaking down the river and then to the beach there, and this is the official balneario. So look how beautiful it is with all these palm trees. It's pretty much abandoned now, but it is so gorgeous. This is interesting. This is our little entrance that we had driven down about 2 weeks ago to the little beach on the side of Tres Hermanos, Balneario. And you can still get to it from the other side. We just drove in there. But it looks like they blocked off this other entrance, which is kind of a cool little drive, but apparently you can still walk through it. They just put in this...
fresh dirt.
Fresh dirt. It's just a... Oh, they put in the metal barrier for some reason. Looks like there's another gate here too. Probably the bridge was a concern for people, so this is why they probably blocked off the access and then roped this part off, is that it's getting more and more deteriorated, this bridge, to the point that they've even removed some of the planks that I think were here the last time. So it's just completely not safe anymore. Of course, if you're just really careful, you could cross by foot, but you definitely wouldn't want to take a car over this. So it looks like this might have been an old entrance way to the campsites that are out here that we've explored a little bit. They look like they have lost all of their electricity and things, but the structural integrity is still there. And then there's some other little types of gazebos that we saw here. All around through here, there's a lot of campsites. So here's one of the other types of structures. Instead of the circular ones, it's got kind of the A-frame houses, or looks like the roof is completely collapsed in this one. It still has the picnic table though. Over here. They put a lot of money and effort into this huge balneario. I mean, it's a long, long stretch of beach that is gated in for it to just be left into weeds and stuff. kind of a shame that it's not more well kept because this is a really beautiful beach. So these look like maybe they were the restrooms, the public restrooms, I'm not sure. Well, they're open. Let's go see what's in here. There's bathrooms. It does appear to be. I guess they figured it was better to just leave them open than have it be broken into. The boys, it looks like it is painted blue anyway. There's urinals. A ticket house or something, maybe if they charge to camp out here, I'm not sure, but it has a sink in it. Gazebo. It's completely tumbled into the river, I think has compromised the foundation of it, so it's like completely wonky. I'm not sure why they would have built it so close to this river outlet, but there it is.